Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. So today we're going to talk to you about our top bending Neon Flex flexible aluminum channel. Now this flexible aluminum channel can only fit the top bending style of the Neon Flex. We do have a separate video where we're explaining the difference between the top bending Neon Flex and the side bending Neon Flex. I'll put a link in the description below. So the flexible channel does come with pre-drilled holes, so you only need screws to keep the flex in place depending on the shape that you're trying to achieve. And the installation itself is not too difficult to be done, as you just need to place the Neon Flex inside the aluminum channel. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.